Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to debut my new wheel and tire setup on the Infiniti. These are raised Graham Lights 57 CRs. I'm running 19 by 10.5 plus 12 all around with the same Firestone Firehawk Indy tires, 255, 35, 19. And since this is an aggressive setup, I'll kind of go over what I had to do to make everything work. But I initially thought I was gonna have to order these wheels to be shipped from Japan. But there was a guy outside of Atlanta that had these, and price was right, so I picked them up. The original color is Gunmetal Blue 2, I think. And I had these powder coated in a Highland bronze from Prismatic Powders with the Casper clear over top. So it's pretty close to the factory color that these come in, but these are powder coated. So like I said, these specs are 19 by 10.5 plus 22 all around. In the front, I had to run -4 degrees of camber, and in the back, I'm running -4.5 degrees. The fronts have the ISR front upper control arms. I did not see any reviews on these. I don't know if they're new or what, but they are a lot noisier than stock. And if you look at the ball joint design, you will see why. In the rear, I'm running -4.5 degrees of camber, and I just have the SPC camber kit with the toe bolt kit as well. And I'm still on the factory style of like the separate coilovers as well. So it's definitely an aggressive setup, but made it work. This side, I'm thinking, I don't know if it's just the road or if it actually sits a little bit lower on this side, but the tire tucks in and the wheel kind of pokes out just a smidge. And in the front, everything tucks, so. Don't know if that's focused, but yeah. That's the new setup, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And like I said, these are raised Graham Lights 57 CRs, 19 by 10.5 plus 12 all around, -4 degrees of camber in the front with the ISR camber arms, front camber arms, front upper control arms, whatever you want to call them, and then -4.5 degrees in the back with the SPC camber and toe bolt kit. The front arms, they say they'll give you up to -5.5. And the SPC kit, I think online it says it'll give you up to -3, but I managed to get 4.5 out of it. Tires are Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s, the same ones I've had for like 3 years. What I ended up doing is, I think it's on this one, I have them flipped. So as you can see, that says inside. The inside is on the outside. And that's because the outside of these tires, well, the outside now, tread's running low on it. But the inside of the tires now, tread was damn near brand new. So I know a lot of stance guys do this. But yeah, I just didn't want to buy new tires now, especially when one side of the tread was brand new. We'll see how long these last me, but I'm a fan of the 255-35s. It's probably like my favorite tire setup that I've ran on multiple cars. So, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and peace.